Hi, it's Marta, Martina Spanish, and in this video we're going to learn some uses of the verb quedar. Are you ready? Let's start. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe, okay? So, the first one, quedar con. So, quedar con is arranged to meet. He quedado con María. I'm meeting María. Quedarse con, okay, when we use se, pronominal verb, means to keep. Me he quedado con el dinero. I've kept the money. Quedar en can mean two things. One, to meet in a place, okay? So, he quedado en Starbucks. I'm meeting María in Starbucks, okay? Or to agree to do something. Hemos quedado en ir a las 5, okay? We agreed to go at 5. Quedarse en means to stay. Yo me quedo en casa. I'm staying home. Okay, and the last one we're going to study today is quedarse dormido. Quedarse dormido means to fall asleep. For example, me he quedado dormida en el sofá. I fell asleep or I have fallen asleep in the sofa. Okay, so dormido for masculine, dormida for feminine. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Practice with your comments down below and I'll make sure to correct you. Don't forget to like this video and remember that you can do this, you can learn Spanish. So I'll put some suggestions here for you to continue to watch some videos, okay? And remember that you can always send me an email or contact me on Instagram and I will help you, okay? I give one-on-one classes and I have amazing deals on products too.